Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to get the old Safari address bar back in iOS 26. Apple is currently testing iOS 26 before releasing the update publicly this fall. To try out this feature before then, install the iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. Safari on iOS 26 has a more compact address bar which hides your buttons for bookmarks, open tabs and sharing options behind a three-dotted menu. In contrast, the bottom tab layout in iOS 18 Safari puts those buttons plus the navigational buttons alongside the bottom, saving you unnecessary tabs. Some people don't like this change. If you frequently use your saved Safari bookmarks or don't like having to pinch with your fingers to access all the tabs, you can bring back a button tab style layout. For this, switch to the pre-iOS 26 Safari address bar design. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down to the Apps section. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and choose Safari, or you can search it from here. Next, scroll down to the Tab section and then tap Bottom. Now, return to the Safari and you will notice the address bar design has changed to display the buttons for bookmarks, sharing options and all tabs. iOS 26 also retains the older top layout option for those who prefer to have their address bar at the top and the bookmarking, sharing and tab options at the bottom. In this mode, you can swipe across the address bar to switch between open tabs. iOS 26 expands the existing top and bottom layout options with a third compact option, and you can freely switch between them as you like. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to get the old Safari address bar back in iOS 26, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.